Hey GlamFam, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be unboxing and later reviewing a product that we got from a company. I'll be posting the link in the description below so you guys can check it out, but I wanted to use it first before I gave my honest opinion. So let's go ahead and open this to see what's in here. Okay, so because it is memory foam, it is just going to unpack itself. Once you give it a little bit of time, it will take form. It will take its shape in a matter of seconds. All right, so we're gonna open this and see what it can do because it is actually multifunctional. So let's take a look at some of the things that this footrest, it's actually a footrest, if I did not say that earlier. Let's see what it can do. It's multi-purpose, machine washable, so you can easily toss that into your machine, or you can just wash it in a sink, and I'll show you guys in just a moment. It also has a non-slip section to it, and it does offer pain relief, which is the first thing we're going to use it for. The first thing that we're going to use this for is pain relief. My husband has been complaining about back pain, so this I'm going to go right now and he's going to use this, so then he'll tell me how he feels after a few hours of using this. So how big is this thing? Measurements. Okay, let me get a ruler because this might not mean a lot to some of us. So I'm gonna get a ruler, I'm gonna put it against a ruler, and then you can tell by the size of the ruler. And the colors, apparently they come in, I wanna say the cover comes in a blue, a gray, and a black, which is what I have here right now. So one feature of this is the non-slip right here, this part right here, non-slip, and then if this gets dirty or sweaty, you can take it off because it's machine washable. I'm not gonna take it out right now because we're gonna use it first, and then we'll show you how. See, so it comes off like this so that you can toss it into your washer. All right, so we're gonna try this out right now, and then we'll come back to you guys a few days later. Okay. All right, guys, so we've had the product for a week, and here is the up close of the non-slip section of the footrest. If you lay it flat, it's not going to be sliding around. It's not going to be moving around at all. All right, folks, so now we are using it as a backrest. If you are driving, if you are sitting for long hours, this would be a great addition to ease the stress of your back, to give some relief to your back if you've been sitting up for a long time. If you're also gaming, this is also great. And that if you are working at home, if you're working for long hours, you can use it as a footrest. Or if you've just been out working and you've been on your feet for long hours, this is also great for resting your feet. Now, once you're done with that, like I said earlier, you are going to, if it gets dirty, sweaty, whatever it is that you're using it for, it is actually machine washable. So you just take the cover off. There's their little label on the side. You take the cover off. And then all you have to do is toss it into the washer. There you go. If you don't want to put it in your washer, using your sink is also an option. Or if you have a little pan, a little basin that you want to use, that is also a very gentle option to clean this product. Okay, so there is actually no hassle to return the slip cover to the memory foam. No hassle at all. Even Zone could actually do this. So basically, if you are a gamer, this would be something that's good for you. If you work in an office for long hours, if you are a truck driver, if you are driving for extended period of time, this is going to be great. My husband actually hurt his back recently, and so he used it it actually caused him, it did cause, and I have to honestly say, it did cause or help with a temporary relief of the pain. It did relieve the pain for a while. When he had it under his back, he was comfortable, he slept with it. You can also use it as a headrest, backrest, footrest, neck rest. It really does it all. I recommend it. If you flip it over, you can just have it on the floor doing that kind of movement if you would like. Also, if you flip it the other way, you can just be resting your feet as you're working. All right, so I already hear you asking, where do I find this amazing product? This amazing product is actually on Amazon, and I am going to be linking it in the description below so you can go grab one for yourself. If your husband's a truck driver, if you are a gamer, this is going to be an accessory that you are going to need. You'll find it helpful. All right, so the colors are the blue, and apparently they have like a standard 17-inch, which is the one I have. And then they have the long 20-inch, and the prices change according to the color. So the black one is at its lowest price right now. You do not need a coupon. Just click on the link in the description. Also, let me know in the comment section if this is something that you would try.
Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.